Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, could not launch Grand Theft Auto 5 with error code LS-0013, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA 5 easily. So first off, you need to make sure that you close out Epic Games Launcher fully. So just come here, right click on Epic Games Launcher, click exit, and open up your task manager by right clicking on your taskbar and then click task manager, and here you need to search for Epic Games, and as you can see we have just closed Epic Games. After that you're going to find the Epic Games exe file. So here it is for me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it, click open file location, and then right click on it again, click open file location, right click on it on here, click properties, and then just go into compatibility, click run this program as an administrator, click apply, okay, and then launch the Epic Games Launcher from here. And now you can go ahead and launch your GTA 5 and you'll see that your game will launch correctly. You will not get that launch error 0013 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.